Hey there, world wanderers. I'm Ryan Brooks, your laid-back guide to effortless globe-trotting. Welcome to another episode of The Lazy Traveler's Guide. Today, we're diving deep into the topic that's been on everyone's minds. One bag, 1 week, minimalist packing tricks. So, if you're tired of lugging around heavy baggage and want to streamline your packing process, stick around. Let's jump right in. The first step to minimalist packing is selecting the right gear. I recommend a high-quality, durable backpack that can withstand the rigors of travel. It should be compact, yet spacious enough to fit all your essentials. Next comes the tricky part, what to pack. Now, I'm sure you've heard of the rule of 3. 1 to wear, 1 to wash, and 1 to spare. This rule can be a lifesaver, especially with underwear and socks. When it comes to clothes, stick to versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. Opt for lightweight, quick-drying fabrics, and don't forget to roll your clothes instead of folding them. It's a game changer for saving space. And here's a little secret. Travel-sized toiletries are your best friends. Remember, anything liquid should be under 100 ml to meet airport security requirements. A solid shampoo or soap can also be a good alternative. Now, onto travel apps. There are countless apps out there to make your life easier on the road. I swear by PackPoint, it creates a packing list for you based on your destination, the weather, and your planned activities. Another lifesaver is Google Trips. It's like having a personal travel planner right in your pocket. When it comes to airport tips, be sure to check in online and arrive early to avoid any unnecessary stress. Take advantage of airport lounges if you can. They are a haven for relaxation and often offer free food and drinks. Lastly, always leave room for spontaneity. Whether it's an unexpected souvenir or an unplanned day trip, the best travel experiences often come from the unexpected. And there you have it, folks. Your guide to 1 bag, 1 week, minimalist packing tricks. Remember, travel doesn't need to be stressful or complicated. With the right gear, a smart packing list, and a few handy apps, you can enjoy a smoother, more enjoyable journey. So, go out there, embrace the minimalist packing approach, and let the world be your playground. Until next time, this is Ryan Brooks, signing off from The Lazy Traveler's Guide. Happy traveling.